Motorists across Kingston and St. Andrew will have a chance to have their matters heard before the court via the judiciary of Jamaica's Traffic Ticket Public Day. Motorists with tickets dating back to February 1, 2018 are eligible to participate. The Traffic Ticket Public Day will be held over 2 days, July 8 and July 9, at the National Arena. Registration opened this morning and closes at midnight, May 31. Chief Justice Brian Sykes says the move comes in response to the persistent backlog of traffic cases across the corporate area. Now, eligible persons are being encouraged to use the opportunity to have their matters addressed before the execution of warrants. Motorists may register by submitting their name, TRN, and ticket details at traffictickets@judiciary.gov.jm or through WhatsApp, or outstanding ticket information can be verified by using the online platform at trafficticketlookup.gov.jm.